Did you know a repairman caused a $700 million submarine fire? In a shocking case of laziness gone wrong, a repairman intentionally started a fire on the USS Miami submarine just to get out of work early. This despicable act caused a staggering $700 million in damages and endangered the lives of countless sailors on board. The repairman was later caught and sentenced to 17 years in prison for his reckless actions. It's hard to fathom how someone could prioritize their convenience over the safety of others. The millions of dollars in damage caused by this fire is a harsh reminder of the consequences that can result from selfish actions. The USS Miami was decommissioned in 2014, ending its service as a reminder of this tragic incident.